Glassford put on her dancing shoes and is going to tell us
Oh,
about
Bill, you are going to love this story. I'm telling you. I will say the next time I take this class, I will not be wearing my heels. I will be dancing in sneakers. It is a workout, but everyone is laughing and smiling and channeling their inner star.
Scare right, scare left.
Ramon Ochoa has some funny names for his dance steps.
Zombie shimmy up, zombie shimmy down.
But you put them all together and it looks a lot like the zombie walk from Michael Jackson's Thriller video. And this is a snippet inspired by Jersey Boys, the Broadway musical. Jeff Valensky, who as you might notice is not a professional dancer, came up with the idea for the classes.
I used to go to shows and then want to be in the show, but I'm not a really good dancer or a singer.
And you don't have to be to sign up for Broadway Bodies. You simply have to want to dance.
What I did when I was 10 years old is constantly make up routines in my living room to Chorus Line, Annie, and Fame. So this is like reliving my childhood.
Molly Tynes helps break down a dance number from the movie Grease.
John Travolta pumps.
And before you know it, you're Danny and Sandy.
It's my chance to actually get out there and be Sandy for all of 2 minutes. So for an hour, I walk out and I'm like, hey, I'm young again.
And when they hand out the hats, I'm in.
And step together and front and then back.
Oh, you didn't actually turn, you just went.
There you go, that's it.
Enough practice. It's showtime. All this dancing is good for the ego.
I'm a star, baby.
Stop.
And do it enough times.
Gosh, I'm so out of breath.
And it's a great workout. I'm looking at how
I'm
sweaty
sweating.
you are.
There's no way that you can do this class and not sweat.
I'm ready.
Broadway Bodies classes start at $15. They're held several days a week, and for more information, check out 7online.com. Bill, you got to try it in heels, though.
I'm impressed because you had heels on with that.
Well, had I really known how much of a workout would have been, I would have put my sneakers on.
I've done that in heels. It's
Really?
very tough, yeah.
And backwards,
But
right?
what a good workout. And these are just average people wanting to
Exactly.
channel their inner stories.
You
So.
totally
have
felt
that
that woman
desire.
when she said I always made up routines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
No one does the zombie shimmy like you.
Thank you, Reed. It's just our private little joke, no, please.